Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of numpy and it is part 15. So guys, we are discussing numpy operations and in this lecture we are going to discuss zeros function, and in this lecture I will show you how to create an array filled with zeros in numpy. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss this zeros function. So guys, the numpy zeros function is used to create a new array of given shape and type with zeros. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this zeros function. So guys, there are three parameters that specify the structure of the resulting array, and these are shape, dtype and order. So let's go ahead guys and we'll discuss these parameters one by one. So the first parameter is shape, and shape is a required parameter, and basically the shape parameter specifies the shape of the array that you want to create. Moving further guys, so the argument to shape will be an integer or a tuple of integers or a list of integers, and if you only provide an integer value n, then output will be a numpy one-dimensional array with n zeros. Moving further guys, but if you provide a tuple or list of values n comma m, then zeros function will create an array of zeros with n rows and m columns. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss next parameter, and that is dtype. So guys, this parameter specifies the data type of the data in the new array, and it is also an optional parameter, and the default data type for this zeros function is float 64. Now moving on to next parameter, and that is order. So guys, it is also an optional parameter, and this parameter defines the order in which the multidimensional array is going to be stored either in row measure or column measure, and by default the order parameter is set to C. So guys, let's open up the Jupyter notebook and I will show you the working of this zeros function. So guys, in this lecture I will explain you numpy zeros function, and I will show you how to create an array filled with zeros in numpy. So that's why I have imported numpy as np. So let's create a one-dimensional array of zeros with zeros function. So guys, this zeros function will create one-dimensional array of 5 zeros. So let's run this script. So basically it is giving one-dimensional array of 5 zeros, and the data type of these zeros are float 64. And now guys, if you want to change the data type of these zeros, then you need to add dtype. So let's add this dtype. So basically I am assigning n to this data type, and now if I run this script, it will give you one-dimensional array of 5 zeros. And now guys, I am going to create a two-dimensional array of 2 cross 3. So let's create it. So guys, I have passed a tuple of 2 comma 3. So basically this zeros function will create a two-dimensional array of 2 cross 3 of zeros. So let's run this script. So the output will be like this. So now if I add another parameter to this zeros function, dtype, and now if I run this script, it will give you the output like this. So this is the two-dimensional array of 2 cross 3 and all the values are zeros. And now if I add one more parameter to this zeros function, order, and now if I run this script, it will give you the two-dimensional array row wise, but there would be no effect of order because all the elements are zeros in this two-dimensional array. So I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.